A very good morning, my dear friends. We are preparing a series of videos on various aspects of dental care, and our focus is oral hygiene. And we're going to talk about oral hygiene products for kids and adults. And we'll also be discussing about my area of interest, that is pediatric dental care products, and also on halitosis management, that is bad breath management. Now, friends, we are starting with toothpaste. Like I discussed it last time, I just gave a brief that we are going to discuss about the various components of toothpastes. So now, toothpaste is the first thing that you use in the morning, and that's probably the last thing that you use in the night before you go to sleep. So you need to know everything about it in detail because it's going in your mouth. Okay? So now, before we start discussing the various ingredients in detail, I would just like to bring forward one small social issue. I mean, toothpaste, if you have observed, come in wonderful packing. You have something like this, very fancy packs. Toothpaste do come in. But my question is, what is the use of this particular box? I don't know. Because the toothpaste comes in a very wonderful tube and it is also sealed. So, why is this pack used? I fail to understand, my dear friends. Because what do you do of the pack at the end of the day? You just throw it in the dustbin. And every year, thousands of such packs are thrown away. And how much load do these packs have on our environment? How much waste are we generating? Can't we do something about it? Please do think about it and please do share your views that how do we tackle this menace. Now, coming back to our discussion, now the first thing that you should check whenever you pick up any toothpaste is about the ingredients. So, what is the first thing that you need to look at is that every toothpaste has a coding. Okay, it will have either a green mark like this, or it can have a blue mark. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, it can be a blue mark, it can be a black mark, or it can be a red mark. Now, what do these marks indicate? Okay, the blue, if there is a blue mark, it clearly indicates that there are all natural ingredients and medicines. If it has got a red mark, that means most of the ingredients are chemical. If it's a green mark, that means majority or all ingredients are natural, and the black mark means 100% chemical. Okay, so that's the first thing that you have to look, whether it's blue, green, black, or red. Now, the next is that, like so many ingredients are there in the toothpaste. Now, we will focus on some ingredients that I don't say they're controversial, but people have raised their concerns about these ingredients. Now, which are these ingredients? There are many such ingredients which are available, but the ingredients which are worrying, the first ingredient which is many people have shown concern is sodium lauryl sulfate. Now, why is sodium lauryl sulfate added? It's basically a soap. The second ingredient is propylene glycol. Many people have raised issues about that too. Then carcinogen, then triclosan, fluorides also. There is a lobby which says fluoride is very good, and there is another lobby which says fluoride is very bad. So, what exactly is the controversy associated with fluoride? Why is there so much apprehension in certain groups of people about fluorides? Then, one more ingredient, alcohol. Many toothpaste do contain benzyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. So there are concerns about that also. And I have come across some toothpastes which contain nicotine. Yes, my dear friends, nicotine is also a part of some toothpaste. Now, these are the 6 or 7 components which people are a little worried about. So in my next video, we are going to take up each and every of these components and discuss a little bit about it, that what are its concerns. So then, if we plan, okay, I need a toothpaste which doesn't contain this component, are they available? Okay, so friends, thank you so much for your precious times. In my next video, I will be discussing about the ingredients of toothpaste in more details. Till then, thank you very much for your precious time. Good day.